Let me show you a few different things that you can do if you are experiencing any overheating issues on your Samsung S26 or S26 Ultra. So far, after actually using this phone now for a while, I can actually say it's actually a very decent phone, and I'm not really seeing any problems when it comes to like lack of power or overheating issues. But in this video, I'll show you some things that you can try if you are maybe having some problems. So the first thing what I suggest to do is go in your settings and go in your device care over here and make sure you have enough storage on your phone. So if the storage runs low, maybe let's say you have maybe like 5 or 10 gigabytes left, the phone won't be able to properly work anymore and it will struggle, it will heat up and cause a lot of problems. Also in the same device care menu you have this optimize button as well, that you can use to close all the background apps, clear all the junk that might be causing these problems. Okay, and then the next thing what I suggest to do is how to tell which stuff maybe is causing these problems. So for example, if you go in your battery, so you can kind of see which apps are using your battery and which stuff is using your battery. So you would simply go here and observe which stuff is causing the biggest battery drain, and that also will be the most likely cause of the overheating issues. Also, what I suggest to do is on this phone, also do a force restart on it by pressing the power button plus volume down and hold for maybe like 10 seconds. It will shut down. And it's also going to clear all the adapters, all the settings basically. And if anything is wrong with the phone, it will also even try to heal itself as well, if it's possible. And next also I suggest to go in your settings and do change few settings basically. So first in the display settings you can switch between the light and dark theme. So the dark theme actually consumes less energy, and again it's simply going to cause less drain both on your battery and also the power consumption here as well. Also on the Ultra phone you can even drop down the resolution a bit in these settings. On the regular one you can't, but for example on the regular one you can also drop down the refresh rate. In my opinion this actually probably won't save that much, but the resolution change might actually give you a bit of benefit. Also in the device care again you have this performance profile that you can toggle, so you can actually set to the light performance profile, so the phone generally will run cooler and won't drain as much battery as well essentially. But again, so if you're playing some heavy games, you might notice a bit of performance loss if you enable it. Also, for example, if you are using this phone in a hot weather, like extremely hot weather, and also, for example, you have a bunch of things open at the same time, then it's only normal for any phone to heat up and also, yeah, basically become a bit more sluggish. Also check if you maybe have any the hotspots enabled as well. This also drains quite a lot of battery and also heats up the phone as well. So if you do not need it as much, I suggest to actually disable it, obviously if you can. So what do if everything else fails? So again, by default this phone really doesn't have any overheating issues from my experience. So maybe there's simply something basically in the background causing this. Maybe you have installed some virus accidentally on this phone and maybe that is causing these problems. So the last thing I suggest to do is simply head to your settings and do a factory reset on this phone. So again, it shouldn't be like that by default, at least from experience so far. So you see you have your reset option here and you can do factory reset on it, and that obviously will wipe everything from the phone and return to the brand new condition. So that's the last thing I suggest to do. Okay, good luck.